How to use the Alligator indicator. The Alligator is a technical analysis indicator that may indicate an emerging trend, the strength of the current trend, and potential reversal points. The greatest advantage of the Alligator indicator is that it may be applied to any time frame and asset. The Alligator is composed of 3 moving averages with different periods. These 3 moving averages are called the jaw, the teeth, and the lips. Each moving average is shifted ahead for a certain period. The jaw is a 13-period simple moving average shifted 8 bars ahead. This line is indicated in red by default. The teeth is an 8-period simple moving average shifted 5 bars ahead. This line is indicated in orange by default. The lips is a 5-period simple moving average shifted 3 bars ahead. This line is indicated in yellow by default. So, how may the Alligator indications be read? When the 3 moving averages are getting closer, this might be an indication of a flat market. In other words, the Alligator is sleeping. When the lines are drifting apart and the range between them is increasing, this might be indicative of an emerging trend. When the distance between the jaw, the teeth, and the lips is getting larger, this might indicate that the trend is strengthening. A bullish trend may be indicated when the lips of the Alligator are above the jaw and the teeth, with the jaw and the teeth lines crossing each other. A bearish trend may be indicated when the lips are below the jaw and the teeth, with the jaw and the teeth lines crossing each other. In a bullish trend, entering long positions may be considered, for instance, when the price pulls back to the moving averages and bounces off them. When a bearish reversal is indicated, this may be considered as an indication to exit a position. To activate the Alligator indicator on the iqoption platform, click on the indicator's icon in the left lower corner of the chart and find Alligator. Check the indicator parameters in the Basic Settings tab. If you prefer using default settings, click Apply. The indicator will be immediately activated and added to the chart. If you would like to change the indicator settings according to your needs, do so in the same tab and press Apply. To get more confirmations of the Alligator indications, many traders use it in combination with oscillators. However, you should keep in mind that no technical analysis tool gives 100% accurate results. Enhance your CFD trading now. Click the link in the video description to get access to a free demo account with $10,000 in virtual funds. Have a pleasant trading experience.